How to edit your email on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your email on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down until you find profile information. Now all you need to do is click on your email, click on edit, and here you can edit your email, and this is it. Just follow those steps and write your information here. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.